Hello everyone, I'm John Sclavunos with National Data Protect. I'd like to talk a little bit about how restores work with our service. The initial process, of course, involves the baseline backup. But once that's complete and your continuous backups are running and you have an incident, most of the times it's not a natural disaster or some kind of environmental impact like loss of air conditioning or flooding due to a fire. Most of the time it's a slip of the finger delete. Somebody goes onto their folder on the server and whoops, I deleted that file. Now how do I get it back? Well, it's a really very simple process. You log into your account on the website. You traverse the directory tree on the server or computer you want to restore the file from. You find the file that you want to restore, select the time period. Selecting the time period is actually something you don't normally get to do, but considering the fact that your backups are at the resolution of 15 minutes at each point in time during the day, you can go back. So let's say it wasn't a delete by mistake. Let's say you just got infected with a virus and it infected 5 or 6 files before you caught it. Now you can go back to a half an hour ago, 45 minutes ago, 2 hours and 15 minutes ago to find a file that's clean and restore it. So getting back to the recovery process, you select the file, you select the time period you want to restore to, and you click the restore button. It's that simple. There are a lot of other options, of course. We give you the ability to take these files and restore it to another server, to another computer. We even give you the option at the point at which you're deciding to restore a file to send you a device. It's basically a mini server, a NAS device, with all of your encrypted, and that's important, all of your encrypted data on it so that you can recover much faster. That option is much more important when you're looking at recovering an entire server instead of just a single file or a single database. When you're recovering an entire server, you can do what's called typically a bare metal restore, provided of course you're backing up the entire server. But if you are, and you want to do that, we can ship you a device with all of the information on it so you can restore at wire speeds. If you're not restoring that way, let's go back to the single file example. You're downloading a file that has some damage or some corruption. Only the delta blocks, only the changes in those files are sent down from our backup vaults to your server, meaning you can have a file that's 2 gig in size, but if only 20 meg of it has changed, only 20 meg, more or less, needs to be downloaded, applied to the file to make it whole. It really makes for very, very efficient and fast restore times. Just yesterday I was doing a demo video, and I was kind of surprised that it took less than a few seconds to restore a file that was a couple of meg in size. It really never ceases to amaze me. It's very cool technology, and I'm glad that Iron Mountain Digital has it for us to offer to you. If you want more information, please check our website at www.nationaldataprotect.com or give us a call at 305-254-5050. Thank you.